In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar and workload views in Monday.com, a versatile project management tool that can significantly enhance your team collaboration and productivity. First, let's navigate to Monday.com, where we'll begin our journey to mastering these views. Whether you're managing a small project or overseeing multiple teams, these features will be crucial in keeping everything on track. Once you've reached the Monday.com website, look for the login button on the top right corner. A quick click will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll see an option to log in using Google. It's a convenient way to seamlessly enter your Monday.com workspace without the hassle of remembering another password. Choose your Google account and you'll be swiftly taken into your dashboard. With your personalized workspace loaded, it's time to access your board. This is your project hub where all your tasks and team activities are gathered. Find your board by navigating through your dashboard and select it. Entering your board brings you one step closer to an organized project workflow. Now, look towards the top of the screen for a plus icon. This is where you can add new views, enhancing how you and your team perceive your task organization. Click that plus icon, and let's begin by adding a calendar view. This view is excellent when you need a bird's eye look at tasks distributed across days, often a game changer for scheduling. Once you've selected the calendar, you'll see your tasks neatly spread out over the days of the month or week. This visualization helps in identifying any clashing deadlines or tasks that might need rescheduling. But our mission doesn't end here. There's another powerful tool waiting, the workload view. To add this view, click the plus icon again to embark on another edition. From the menu, hit Explore More Views. In the search box that appears, type Workload. This view is indispensable for monitoring how tasks are distributed among your team members, ensuring that no one's plate is overfilled or underutilized. Click on the workload view and you'll immediately see a comprehensive overview detailing all workloads per team member. This visualization is not just informative, but also instrumental in balancing tasks and enhancing team efficiency. By using both the calendar and workload views, you're setting the stage for a more harmonious and well-coordinated project execution. As you can see, the process is straightforward yet powerful. By employing these views, you transform Monday.com into more than just a task list. You create a dynamic and intuitive project management environment. Whether you're meeting deadlines or redistributing tasks, these tools provide clarity and control, setting you and your team up for success.